So our today's problem is 206 reverse of the linked list. So we have given a singly linked list. We have to return the reverse form of the linked list. Like in this example, we have given the linked list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we have to return its reverse means 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have to return the head of the reverse linked list. In this example, we have given 1, 2. Then we have to return 2, 1. If the head is null, then we have to return the null means we have to return the empty list. So we can solve this problem by two method, by iterative method or by recursive method. So let's see how we will solve this problem. So like we have given this linked list. So what we will do first, we will see the iterative method, how we will solve this problem. So this is our linked list. So first thing we have to take consider that its last element should be pointing to the null. So how we will do? We will create three variable. We will create three variable. One variable is pre, and second variable is current, and next. So as the name suggests, it will pointing to the pre, pointing first to the null means. Let's see in this example what we will do. This is our current. This is our current. Then current next is our next, and initially pre will be point to null. So this is our linked list, three variables. So we will move this loop. We will go and reverse each element one by one. We will go each node. We will reverse it until our current does not become null. Means current is not here. Means if current is here, then there are no meaning of changing this value. Means we cannot change this value. So we will move this loop until our current is not equals to null. So what we are gonna do? From this figure, what came to our mind, like we if we have to reverse it, then first we have to means point means we have to point next. What we want means next will point to next, next field will point to current, next will point to, and current next field will point to current, next field will point to pre, current next point will point to pre. Then we will move each element means we will move next to this, we will move current to this, pre to this. Then what we will do? Uh, let's check what we will do. We will move pre, we will move next, and we will go on. Means what we will do? We will move current equal to current equal to next, and pre equal to our pre equal to pre equal to current. Sorry, we cannot do this like current. So first we have to move pre, then we will move current. After that means if our next is not equal to null, means if our next will go there, then next will go there, then next will go there, and if next pointing to the null, then if if our next is not equals to null, then only we will move the next, means we will move the next equal to next dot next field. So this is our code. We will run this code while our current is not equal to null. So this is our iterative code. How we will solve this problem? It's like first pre is here, current is here, next is here. Then what will happen? Let's solve this problem. So first, let me clear this all this. So this is our given code. So first, current is not equal to null means next dot next field equal to current. So what will be happen? Then this one thing is mistaken. Like we will not write this means if we let me tell you why we will not do this. Like if we broke this connection, then we cannot go to the next. I am very sorry. So what we will do? We will move current next means this is current. We will move current next to the pre. So there will be a path. Then pre equal to current. Then we will move pre to here means this will pre, and after that we will move current. We will move current equal to next. We will move this current. So this is our current. Since our next is not equal to null, so then we will go to the next. So then after that, this will become our new next. Then the loop continues. Current next means current next will become pre. Then we will move pre from here. Then current is here and next is here. Uh, After that, 3 next become 2, then 4 next become 3, 5 next become 4. So this will remain continue and we'll get the our solution.